This is Yuletide. I'm sorry to wake her up because she was just having a nice dream here and needing the air like that. Yeah. What were you having in your dream, Yuletide? I just love Yuletide. You are a sweetheart. There we go. You're trying to catch some imaginary thing there, Yuletide. Or you're just saying, I'm just a happy, happy girl. Yeah, you're a pretty girl too. Reach, reach, reach. Oh, you want me to pet you? I know you love to be pet. I don't want to get my hand in there and mess up this lovely video, though. Yeah, you're so cute, Yuletide. You was the bestest. Yeah, just the bestest. I'm back to sleep, huh? A doll.